Hello everybody. I hope you've had a chance to check out the last lesson, the one on melody, components of melody. And if not, go ahead and please look at that now, or maybe if you'd like to watch it one more time as a review, I can wait for you. Here we go. All right. Anyway, so what I've decided to do as an example here, I picked one melody that I think is just a fantastic melody that has a lot of the characteristics of a great melody that I was referring to on the last lesson. And this is called The Summer Knows by Michel Legrand, written about 1971. If you try to look it up on YouTube or Spotify, and I recommend that you do, that's Summer Knows, K-N-O-W-S, not N-O-S-E as in plain as the nose on your face. But The Summer Knows, it was the title track to a movie called The Summer of 42. Michel Legrand won an Academy Award for that and also a Grammy that year. So it's really a great song. I should mention Michel Legrand he passed away a couple of years ago, and he was a real heavyweight. He was born in Paris, and he went to the Paris Conservatory at 11 years old, studied with Nadia Boulanger, one of the great music educators of the 20th century. So he was a real heavyweight. So when we look at this, we see a melody that is written by somebody who really knew what they were talking about. But there's a lot we can learn from it when we write our own melodies. So let me go ahead and start with this. I'm going to sing it, little pieces of this melody for you. I will sing it an octave lower than it's written. And so it starts out in F minor. And one of the first things I should mention about this song, and one of the things I think is really notable, is motivic development. We mentioned last week or last lesson that motivic development is when you take an idea and you work with it. And he literally makes this long arching melody out of two ideas plus one little short idea. So all of it comes from a very small amount of material, and I really think that's one thing to take away from this whole discussion is, taking ideas and working with them. And he starts out with an idea that goes da do do do, da do do do. That's the motive, and it's a really nice motive. It's in a minor key. It's in F minor. And what he does with this is he takes that motive and he goes do 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 do, and then he stretches it, do 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 do, and then he repeats it exactly the same as he started, do 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 do, and then he stretches it a little bit more, do 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 do, and then he sequences it. Now if you recall, sequence is when we take and move the entire motive up. Okay, so he takes the motive and he literally moves it up a fourth. Boo doo doo doo, doo 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 doo, stretches it again, and then he squeezes it together. It's called diminution. Boo doo doo doo, doo 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 doo, doo 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 doo. Now all of that has been from that one little idea. And then he continues, but he puts it into a major key, the parallel major, F major. Do, 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 do. And then he does the same thing that he did before. Do, 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 do. Stretches it. Repeats it exactly. Boo, do, do, do in a major key. Do, 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 do. Stretches it some more. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Now that is notable right there, is basically he's taken this one idea and stretched it into all of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 measures of music out of one idea. Now just think about that. Whatever style of music you're in, whatever type of song you're writing, think about taking an idea and working with it to where you can get it to do something like that. Now, this is also the highest note in the piece. If you take a look at it, the whole piece, the lowest note in the piece is a C, and the highest note is an F, an octave and a fourth above, which is just a little bit more than average. I mentioned last week that an average song is about an octave and a third. This one's an octave and a fourth, just slightly larger. But very notably, this hits the highest note, hits it only once, and it hits it about 2/3 of the way through the song. So there's a real sense of building up to a natural climax that is very effective, very dramatic in the song. And then at this point, he abandons that original motive and comes up with a second motive, that is totally different. Da 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 da. Very big, broad, dramatic, wide disjunct motion, as we talked about last week. Wide intervals, very dramatic, difficult to sing. And then he takes that and he sequences it down a half step. Da 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 dee 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 da 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 da. Now this little spot right here is probably the only part in the whole song that is not made of one of those two motives. Da 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 da. That little spot there is just kind of new material. But everything else in the song comes from two ideas, two motives. And then after he's taken you through that second motive, developed that, we come back, and our old friend boo doo 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 is back. Ba doo doo doo, ba da da da, in major. Ba da da da. But right there, he starts to get you back into the minor. He sneaks that D flat in there that starts to imply the minor key. And then he comes back, and the last part of the song resolves back into the minor. Boo doo doo doo, doo 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 doo. Okay, so what I'm going to do is try to show this to you. I recorded this on my phone, and I hope that it works. And I'm going to point as we go along, and we'll do the entire melodies. And for those of you who are not real strong music readers, I'll help you by moving along. And yes, this is a chopstick. It hasn't been used yet. Anyway, so here we go. Now into major. Second motive, totally different than the first. That's the new material. In major. Stretch it, start to go back into the minor. All right, let's do that once again, and I won't say a word this time. I'll just point. Okay, now again, this is stylistically probably very different from what most of us are writing today, but in terms of some of the basic elements of melody writing, it is again a superb example. Motivic development, oo-boo-doo-doo, that really nice idea that is just taken and really fleshed out and turned into a lot of material. And then the second motive, as I said, da 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 dee 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 doo dee, very dramatic and very different from the first one. Developed a little bit less, and then we come back to the original motive. So there's a feeling of repetition after contrast. The use of the one melodic climax 2/3 of the way through, and just the way that the melody really just kind of unfolds and stretches out. Now, today's melodies are very different. A lot of modern pop melodies are shorter in terms of the number of how each section builds, but they may have more sections. You may have 4 different sections with little short, melodies in each one of them, and yet. The motivic development, the idea of hooks that we use today, track and hook, that is one of the most common way that pop music is made today, is about motivic development, taking an idea and working with it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that melody as much as I do, and check out some other examples of this melody and others, and I will talk to you next week.